In 1902, a scholarship was created that would go on to produce presidents, Nobel Prize winners, and some of the most powerful leaders the world has ever seen. Over 100 years later, that scholarship is still running, and applications for 2026/2027 are open right now. I'm talking about the Rhodes Scholarship. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know to apply. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back to Scholarship. Hint, your #1 destination for the best scholarship opportunities from every corner of the globe. If you're new here, subscribe right now and hit that notification bell, because we drop life-changing opportunities every single day. Now let's talk about the greatest scholarship in the world. The Rhodes Scholarship is the oldest and most prestigious international scholarship program in the world. It was founded in 1902 by British businessman Cecil Rhodes, with one mission to develop the world's greatest leaders. And over 120 years later, that mission is still very much alive. As a Rhodes Scholar, you study at the University of Oxford in the United Kingdom, consistently ranked as one of the top 2 universities on the entire planet. But beyond the academics, you join a global community of over 10,000 living Rhodes Scholars, a network of leaders, innovators, and changemakers spanning every continent and every field imaginable. This is not just a scholarship. This is membership into one of the most powerful networks in the world. And here's what the scholarship actually covers. Complete University of Oxford tuition fees, a generous monthly living stipend, airfare to and from Oxford, full health insurance, access to world-class leadership development programs, lifelong membership in the global Rhodes Scholar Network. Now let's talk about who can apply and how to do it. To be eligible, you must be a citizen of one of the 60-plus eligible countries. Typically, be between 19 and 25 years old. Hold or be completing an undergraduate degree. Have an outstanding academic record. Demonstrate strong leadership qualities. Show a genuine commitment to serving others and making a difference. To apply, visit the official Rhodes website using the link in the description below. Find your country's specific Rhodes Scholarship page and read the requirements carefully. Prepare your application academic transcripts, a powerful personal statement, and strong letters of recommendation. Submit through your country's National Selection Committee. If shortlisted, prepare for your interview and show up as your most confident, authentic self. Deadlines vary by country, so please visit the website today and check your specific deadline. Do not wait. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It helps more students around the world find this opportunity. Drop a comment saying Rhodes so I know you watched till the end. And share this video with someone who has the potential to be a Rhodes Scholar, because that person might just be in your contact list right now. Good luck and thanks for watching.